Hey everybody, welcome back. So now I'm in Walmart and they set out some of their back to school stuff. This is not everything, but for now I'm going to show you guys what I see until they catch up, probably in the next couple days or so. You got these Papermate mechanical pencils for $4.97. Same thing right here. You got these right here. You get 50 of them for $5.44. I think the colors on that is really cute. I like that. Oh, this is not bad. Papermate Ink Joy, 18 of them for $2.97. That is really good. And you get assorted ink. The Zebra Z-Grip ballpoint pens for $5.92, and you get 18 of them. $8.94 for these, so you get 11 pens, and these are gel pens. Oh, look at that. That's a nice pack of Sharpies with all those colors for only $9.94. Sharpie highlighters, 12 of them for $5.47, and then you get these Sharpie pocket highlighters, 12 count, for $4.97. Down here is the smaller packs for $2.54. Or you can get that style like that. $2.72 for the chisel highlighter. Is that this one? I think that's this one right here. And my favorite are these. You get 2 bonus ones for $5.97. Sharpies. And those are the ultra fine tips. More Papermate. These Pilot G2 gel pens are $9.88. Ooh, they say erasable. That's cool. More Papermate pens. This pack right here is $2.97. Big Extra Smooth mechanical pencils. You get 12 of them in here for only $1.78. That's not bad. These are $3.88. And what is this down here? These are the same. Well, no, these are a little different. But these are $3.97 for the Papermate mechanical pencils. Here's more down here with different colors. The style of that one looks a little different. And those are $3.88. $3.88. And mainly the same pens that we looked at. Those 3 Sharpies right there are $1.84, which is good because you can get 1 Sharpie at Dollar Tree for $1, but you can get 3 for under $2. Okay, they got some classic broad line markers right here by Crazy Art for $3.72. You get 20. These are $4.77 for 20 of them. Washable watercolors, $1.97. Big pack of pencils, you get 30 of them for $5.97. These are $1.46. $4.97 for the giant sticks. Fiskars scissors, $2.97 right here for the 7-inch. Earbud pouches are only $1, and they got different colors. The children's Fiskars are $1.47. 12 pack of glue sticks. The purple ones are $3.92. Erasers are 57 cents for 25. More pencils. Index cards are 48 cents. The washable markers are $2.97. And then you got those classic Crayola markers for 97 cents. You get 10 of them. Those are $2.97. These index cards are $1.97, and you get colored ones. The pencil sharpeners are 47 cents. More erasers. More glue. The glue is $2.27. And the Scotch tape is 97 cents. Their lunch totes are over here for $8.97. I like this little design on this one. Arctic Zone. So they have a few you can choose from. They got some cute Zach water cups that can go in the backpack. Only thing is they don't have the price up right now, but I see Toy Story, Spider-Man, Lion King. Oh goodness, they got Ryan's World. That's cute. Here's some dry erase boards for $1.97, and they do have the magnet on there, so you can put them on like the refrigerator or your locker or whatever. I see black and I see purple, and then there's even a teal one back there. And then they have these cute little crates for 97 cents. And I recently just found the clear ones like this at the Dollar Tree for $1, so you'll save a couple cents here, and you can pick different colors. And these are by the Sterilite. They have a few backpacks out for these are only $2.97. $2.97 for these little backpacks. Different little prints. This one has the little monsters on it. I like the camouflage. And they even have that one down there with the hearts on it. So if you have a little one going to elementary school, $2.97 is definitely good, because they don't have to carry a lot of stuff, so the straps should, you know, hold up on them. And then you got these over here for $4.96, a little bit bigger. Pink. This one is cute with the cactus on it. You got this tie-dye one, that leopard one right there, and then you got the blue camel and the gray one. And then these over here by Eastport are $28.44, so for the bigger ones right there, you got that set in the middle, and those down there, that one is nice with the pink and the blue. And then you got these right here. And as far as my location, they said they'll be putting more out, so I'm sure to return to do more filming. But for now, this is all the back to school stuff that they have. These come with the little lunch thing and the backpack for $16.97. But this is it for right now. So yeah, I'm gonna get out of here. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.